up, guys? It's me again. I decided to go ahead and return the 5950X CPU back to Amazon. I think I'm done with CPU mining, for real. I'm just not gonna mess with that. I just went today and I just returned the chip back, getting my money back. I mean, I got them off, you know, all of them off right now. The thing I got on right now is the Ice River KSO. Still got my nodes running. I got about 53 nodes, right? And I was, you know, surfing on eBay, and I found a Cadena box miner from Goldshell that the person that listed stated that it's not mining. It does turn on, but not mining. And it was only $43 at the time I bid, whatever, and ended up winning for $43 plus about, let me see, I got it right here, about 11 bucks, I think, shipping. Yeah, about 11 bucks plus tag, but like 60 bucks, all right? So I got it for about 60 bucks. So I got this one right here. It just arrived, and I'm hoping that I could fix it. But, you know, for 60 bucks, can't go wrong. You know, even if it doesn't work, I mean, it does. I could use it for parts or whatever. You know, I could try to resell it as well, you know, even as is. I'm not a Cadena miner, though. You know, I don't mine Cadena, but if I get it running, I could probably hook it up on a mineable and just have the coins converted. Because right now I'm just pretty much getting. I told you guys right now just getting Dogecoin, Casper, and Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin I've been paying for out of pocket. You know, that's why I like these dips. You know, and Bitcoin has been going down, but I've been purchasing as it's going down. But so I'm gonna mess around with this guy here today. See what's going on. First I'm gonna crank it up. Doesn't look like it's been open. It might have been, I don't know, but I'm gonna turn it on, crank it up, see what's going on, and reset. I'm gonna reset the miner, and then reinstall the firmware again, the original firmware, and see what happens with that. According to what I read, the guy had stated that he updated it to the latest firmware and still does the same thing, and it's not mining. So, you know, I don't know, you know, but it turns on, you know what I'm saying, for, you know, about 60 bucks for this miner. Maybe, I don't know, it's probably the hash board is bad. That's what I'm going with at this point. Hash board is bad, control board is good. That's what I think. But, you know, I'll see what happens when I hook it up. I'll get lucky. Imagine I turn this on and it works like the KSO Pro that I got for 100 bucks, about 100 bucks. Wow, wow, that would be crazy. Got my little Dogecoin miner over here. I got it off, but I'm gonna be turning that on. I've been putting this on solar though, but today I shut it off because it's cloudy outside and I need this to charge up fully. Oh, that's right. Another thing is I'm upgrading. This charge controller, I am changing this one. I already purchased another one. I was watching them on eBay. Usually the Renogy has used ones, okay? They sell refurbished, whatever, you know, certified refurbished, okay? And I actually missed it for about $100 and something, about $1.70 something on eBay. I missed it, and I was like, damn, maybe I should have bought it, you know. I'll just wait, whatever. So I kept looking, you know, searching daily. Sometimes they'll have them listed. So then it came up, a Renogy, instead of a 40 amp MPPT, a 60 amp MPPT was available, and it was about $170. I immediately purchased it. So that should be coming by next week. So I'm going to be changing this 40 amp MPPT. I'm going to keep this one though. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep this 40 amp one. I'm not getting rid of it yet, but I'm going to keep it. But I'm going to be changing this to a 60 amp MPPT controller. I'll be able to install more panels. Right now I have 9 panels, so I'm kind of pushing it. You know, I'm over paneling it. But I'm gonna be changing. What is it? A couple of little things. You know, like the cables here. You know, this is well, not this one here. This one's an 8 gauge wire cable. The one I have here, this one over here, is a 10 gauge. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to change this as a 40 amp. I'm going to change this to like a 60 amp one. Little changes, and right now, like I told you, I have 9 panels on this solar controller, and I'm probably going to end up getting a couple of more panels, solar panels. So I didn't want to push that, you know, and cause this to burn out, whatever. But that's pretty much it for this video. That's what I'm doing, you know. And as far as these guys here, I'm probably gonna end up selling these and getting rid of these motherboards. I still have 3 other old motherboards as well. Getting rid of these motherboards, and possibly some of these fans, and I'm gonna keep a couple, whatever. I'm gonna keep one of these for sure, and some memory and stuff like that. You know, I'll probably end up keeping 2 of them. I'm gonna probably end up getting rid of these motherboards and clean this area out. And because I'm going to right now, it's just sticking with these type of box miners. You know, small box miners like this. You know, if I can get good deals, or I can get one to fix or whatever. And I'm gonna deal with these Ice River ones. You know, at this point, that's pretty much it. You know, I can't get those big machines. I'm not gonna put that in my house. Those big ASIC miners. It's gonna make a lot of noise, and you know, and drain electricity, the crazy electricity. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna mess around with these little box miners for now. And I'm just gonna mess around with my nodes for now. You know, the nodes that I have, 53 nodes. You know, and that's pretty much it. But you know, I've been, you know, connecting this one here. You know, I kept it on solar for like 2 days, and since the weather hasn't been good today, I just took it off, shut it off, whatever. But I had the Ice River KSO Pro on solar, so that was running on solar, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna, you know, also focus on the solar system. I have 7 batteries. I'm gonna get 1 more for this entire system, and then possibly switch it from 24 volts to 24 volt solar system. But that's about it, guys. As far as this, I'm gonna probably end up recording a video on this, you know, fixing this. I'm not sure, you know, but I'll let you know. You know, I'm probably just gonna do it on the side, you know. So that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace, and I'm out. Latest.